This is as far as we can get with the camera. It is completely dark and blocked. I am unsure of what is causing this. As we pull back, we're going to hit a low spot and then get a visual of what looks to be, there's some tree roots there that have broken through. Some slight separation. Some more root intrusion along with bellying. Bellying is roughly 6 feet, and above in the top right you can see more root intrusion. More root intrusion. More root intrusion. Bellying. And now we're coming to the trap. And out of the trap to where your vent riser is. It's going to be tough to tell. You can see the separation right there to where it starts to turn on an angle facing the street and then out.